Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to make your own natural glowing body wash that will have your skin feeling so soft. These are the items that you're going to be needing, so you're going to have to screenshot. You're going to start off by grabbing your bar of soap. I prefer to use Dove because it naturally moisturizes your skin. And you're going to grate it all the way down with your cheese grater. Next, you're going to go ahead and grab a saucepan and bring it up to a boil. And also, you're going to fill up a cup of boiling water. Next, you're going to go ahead and grab your bowl of shredded soap. Gently pour the boiling water in there. You don't want to burn yourself. Place the glass bowl inside the saucepan. And now you're going to go ahead and stir it for about 2 minutes. You're going to measure 2 tablespoons of honey and add it inside your soap bowl. Next, measure 2 tablespoons of olive oil and go ahead and pour it inside as well. And also 2 tablespoons of sweet almond oil. And last, 4 capsules of vitamin E oil. And now you're going to go ahead and mix all your ingredients together for 2 minutes. And when you're all done, it should look like this. Now you're going to go ahead and grab your empty soap dispenser, and before you even pour it inside, you want to make sure your soap is cooled down. Go ahead and grab your drainer and very slowly pour the soap in. And now you have yourself a natural, glowing, moisturizing body wash.